सर एक फाटल्या दिसांनी जी डेकोयती वयर आमचे हाऊसिंग बोर्ड आणि वास्को बी जाल्ले तांकां जे कोण कल्प्रीट आसले आरोपी आसले चोर आसले तांकां म्हापसा पुलीस आनी ऑलटुगेदर गोवा पुलिसांनी तांकां ट्रेस करून तांकां अरेस्ट केला हेचेर तुमची कितें प्रतिक्रिया आसा?
That's I would like to congratulate the police department of MAPSA and of course the Honorable CM since he is holding the portfolio of home for the fantastic job we have done and they caught those people like the 6 of them Bangladeshis who involved in a lot of interstate dacoities and robberies which have taken place. Really my hats off to them for the very well investigation. After doing investigation they caught the people and brought them to back instead of so once again in fact it's sort of a confidence which will lie among the locals for the good act, and the police should continue to do all this good work. And not only that, a lot of other things that are going on as far as a lot of different things are happening. In fact, like the youngsters of today are getting into the wrong things. Like, I could say drugs. The police should come very serious on this and stop this as soon as possible.
सर एक दुसरेकडे पळयलें जाल्यार राज्यांत सध्या गुंडागिरी वाडल्या, सगळे कडेन बारीक बारीक चोरयो बी वाडल्या आनी एकूण परिस्थिती पळयली जाल्यार लॉ अँड ऑर्डर खंय तरी कॉलॅप्स जाल्या अशें तुमकां दिसता?
लॉ अँड ऑर्डर कॉलॅप्स जालें म्हणजे अशें म्हणूंक शकना हांव, कित्याक सी द पुलीस आर डुईंग द जॉब फॉलोड न्हू. वेन लॉ अँड ऑर्डर इज देयर, सी कित्याक आतां केन्ना झगडीं जाली गुंडागिरी आमकां पुलिसाक सांगिनात ते. पुलीस डोंट नो इन एडवान्स. It is very well knew in advance that they have to take action of it. Police are not going to lay low. And our Honorable CM, Dr. Komal Sawant, who is holding the home, is very, very strict and has given strict instruction that action should be taken immediately. As I said, I just spoke about this thing of Bangladesh, how immediately they nabbed those guys and brought them all the way. And, so the police are quite efficient. But kita आमचे कितें केन्ना गुंडागिरी कितें जालें, police investing and finally they nabbed. Okay, sometimes time like that, some way, but finally they're doing their job. So I really, आमच्या लोकांचे कितें जालां, they expect आतां झगड्यान टप करून next minute okay murder जालें हें जालें, they expect to immediately nab them, catch them. So they need time now to do the proper investigation. So tomorrow an innocent person cannot come to problems. So person who has done it has to be caught and the culprit has to be brought to book. So the police are doing a good job and our Honorable Sir Megan, I said, is doing a wonderful job as Home Minister. He's been very strict and he's doing a fantastic job and he's given still instruction to all the police department to do the job without getting into any areas of listening to anybody or any politician, and they're doing their job.
Thank you.